First and foremost, I would like to congratulate this group. You have a very powerful innovation title, World Bank in a Battle. So dapat pag may innovation kita, dapat maminsar kita sa mga title nga very catchy. No? Dapat may impact na yun pagkabasa mo pa lang, World Bank in a Battle. Very good title. But may I ask for clarification why there is a need to translate in Filipino? Because I would like to suggest actually that if your focus is actually on vocabulary building, which is actually English, dapat it should be English tanan. Hindi na mag-insert ng other variables para hindi mangin sabog ang aton innovation. So the main focus is English, therefore it should be English. Okay?
Thank you for that question, sir. So, why is it nga include namon ang Filipino? So, we all know naman that if the student is not very particular with that certain word, dumabudlayan siya. So, there is integration to subjects as well as dito mabutang ang localization or the conceptualization. So, para mas familiar pagit sila sa word.
Okay, sige. So, from the time, given the time that that the word is not familiar to them, it take their interest to really search the meaning for this word. In that way, may impact na ang imo innovation, ma'am. Kaya nga man, nagkuha gid sang time, gingaan gid sang time sang bata nga mag-search sa dictionary or sa internet kung anong meaning sang sina nga word. And that is the idea of word bank. Kaya gina-fill in niya ang tanan nga mga unfamiliar words sa iyang battle. My next concern is that that's good. It is really good that you inculcate to the minds of your students the mantra of 3 R's: reuse, recycle, and reduce. But my worry is to their output. Why? They are really creative in portraying the World Bank. But do you think, ma'am, wala sila, ma'am, nagasto sang mahal-mahal para lang mag-decorate sini, ma'am, oh?
Okay, so that's a good question, sir. So gina-encourage gud namon ang mga bata nga hindi magasto kung ano lang ang available nga resources sa ila balay, amo lang ang ila gamiton or even makashare man ang iba nilang nga classmates. So there is also the what we call the sharing, the power of sharing. And also ang iban nga school community kapag bangbabalaan nila may problema to si kon wala to word bank o ari tagaan ta kami sobra kami nga plastic bottles kag ang iban pagid nga mga materials nga needed.
Correct, ma'am. That is actually my point because you have budgetary here. You have a 10,000 budget for your innovation, but actually ang innovation, it's actually pag wala ka may nagasto sa imo ng innovation, that's the time that you are going to look for sponsors. That's why gina-present nato ng aton mga innovations para at least may makagat nga industry. Why not invest to us? Bakal kita sa mga tanan ng mga plastic bottles, etc. etc. Let's for example, ang Coke abi karon gapamati ang Coke. And then ma-invest sa inyo ang Coke, ma'am, baklo na mo na inyong innovation. Kami ang mabakal sa tanan ng mga plastic bottles, maging pangsudlan sa world sa mga words sa inyong mga bata. That's a very good innovation because there is an investor na nag-invest sa inyong innovation. Nevertheless, congratulations for a great job.